So in this video we're going to go through linked candidates. Linked candidates is the functionality that's available on a company and a contact, and that's available off the View More menu. You'll have this option here for linked candidates. So if you click that, effectively it will give you a list of all of the candidates that have been associated with this company. Now that in most instances that's going to mean all of the candidates that have been placed with the company, but it could also mean candidates that have got experience records created against them. If I jump over to a candidate just to explain, you could have candidates that have got experience records created against them that are associated to the company as well, and that might not have come about through a placement. That could have been through someone manually creating an experience and obviously listing that candidate or that company associated with the experience. So it's hence why it's referred to as a linked candidate as opposed to a placed candidate, because there could be other ways in which the candidate has been associated with the company. But from within this area, obviously you have that list of candidates, you have links through into those associated candidates, you have links through to the associated contacts as well, and the placement also will be accessible within this area, and these are hyperlinked to their various different associated entities as well. The placement term filter will allow you to filter on all of the candidates that have been placed within contracts associated with this company. You also have a placement status here. Sorry, I say contract, but also permanent, rolling contract and fixed term here are all covered in terms of ways in which you could filter the candidates associated with this company. Likewise, you've got a placement status here as well, so you can see whether or not the placement is based in is current, is future, or is in the past. So if you want to see all of the current candidates that are based with this company, then this is an immediate way to go about doing that. This functionality is obviously available from a company record, but if we jump over to a contact, you also have this functionality as well. And then from the View More menu, again, you've got linked candidates here. So you click on that option and that gives you, again, the same table, but this time it's specifically associated with this contact. So where that contact has been the main point of contact for the placement, ultimately that's when they're going to be linked with this candidate. So effectively, obviously, again, that gives you a list of all of the candidates perhaps that you've placed with this contact at this company, and you could view it on who's based in the future, who's based in the past, who's currently placed, and so on. Likewise, links through to the associated records from this area as well. So that's the linked candidate functionality that's available on the company and the contact record.